Welcome to Kava Juru Farms. I'll just give you an overview of the farm. We've got the local breed goats here who are just roaming around the goat house. We're moving to zero grazing, so most of them are going to be feeding what we've grown, the goat feed we've grown in their goat houses. And the goat houses have been separated and they're in categories, so the goats stay in separate goat houses. The nursing mothers are separate. The castrated males, the young females, they're all in separate houses for better management. So there you have it, Kava Juru Farms in the eastern province of Rwanda.